Well, after some years of use and abuse, our boys broke our blade to pull the pipe. So what we're going to do is get that off, cut a new one, drill a new hole, and replace it. We'll have to weld that back on. Since we're not a metal fabricating shop, I don't have all the fancy tools for this. So I'm just going to line this up, mark it, and then I'm going to cut it with a carbide tipped sawzall blade. Alright, so I got all the parts cut out. So I'm going to start prepping everything and getting it ready to weld it on. So to explain more what's going on here, so I have these on an angle and these will get welded together too. This will sit on this blade like this. So the way this blade works, goes in the ground, these on the side will actually push the dirt away from the pipes that are getting pulled. And I think that's what caused that to snap, is these were missing, so it's all pulling on that pipe. So we'll go ahead and get these more or less grinded up some more and tacked in. I'm just gonna grind and touch up some spots. Definitely not a professional. This side I kind of got off, but I think we'll be all right. Well, she ain't pretty, but she'll do. This side came out pretty good. Alright, after a little bit of work with some the grinder, it's not terrible. I mean, it's gonna hold. Worst case scenario, it comes off after one use and we redo it. But for now, we got it. Now I just gotta drill a hole there to put the chain on. And the chain goes on, and what you do is you put the pipes in there and it pulls it. Everything on, got our bolt in there. Pipe will go in there, and that's it.